Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maxwell and today I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process on how to create a verified PayPal account here in Ghana. We all know that Ghana has been blacklisted from the PayPal records, and so far people that are in Ghana are not allowed to use PayPal. If you are someone who has international clients or someone who works online, you clearly understand that there are certain systems that makes payments through PayPal only. There are some online clients who would always love to make payments through PayPal. So how do we go about it since Ghana has been blacklisted? I've been using PayPal for the past 3 years and I've not been facing issues. I withdraw the money here in Ghana by myself without going through any hassle, and that is what I'm going to teach you. In today's lesson, I'll teach you how to do it yourself without paying a peso to anyone. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Open your browser. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, type paypal.com/ls. paypal.com/ls. So LS stands for the country Lesotho. Yes, so because Ghana has been blacklisted, even if you use paypal.com, it will land you on either paypal.com/GH, which is Ghana, or paypal.com/US, which is United States. However, if you use the United States or the Ghana details to create the account, it will be blocked. So I know someone will be asking whether this is legal. Yes, this is fully legal. So what we are doing is that it can be that you are in Ghana, but your business is in Lesotho. So this is where it will land you. Okay. So when you scroll down, you see the logo here as in Lesotho. Okay, if you want to see all countries that are available, just click on the logo and then it will bring you to all countries PayPal support. Okay, so here in Africa you can see clearly we have the G column: Gabon, Gambia, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, and Ghana is out of the scope. Currently, because we don't have PayPal, we can use any of the African countries. Yes, we can use any of the African countries. But what I use, which works for me more, is Lesotho. And that is what I recommend to you to use. So let's go back. Or we can quickly click on Lesotho. And then it will take us to the same page. Okay. So to start, just click on sign up for free. So when you click on sign up for free, we have two types of accounts here. We have the personal account and we also have the business account. With the personal account, it says shop in your country and around the world from your computer or your mobile phone, all without sharing your financial info with the sellers. That is one of the key things I love about PayPal. Their security is very intact, and when you are buying from people online, PayPal doesn't show your Visa account details or your credit card details to the buyer. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to create a business account. So click on choose the business account, and with the business account you will be able to accept payments online, create invoices, and accept payments from Ghana and anywhere around the world. Once you select the business account, click on continue. Alright, so it's saying that we should sign up for a business account. Now you have to enter your Gmail account or your email account. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have created an email account which we will be using, and that is kwesiobujay@gmail.com. It has been created purposely for tutorials, so please don't email me using this email address. After entering your email address, just click on continue. So PayPal is now asking you to enter your password. So I'm just entering any password. and let me use this. So let me copy this somewhere. So after entering your password, click on continue. Yes, so you will be redirected to this page where you would have to enter your details, your business account details and others. Yes, so I'm using Kwesi Obuje. Kwesi and Obuje as my name, and the business name I'm also using Kwesi Obuje as the business name. Okay, so when you come to the business phone section, because we chose Lesotho as our country, that is what you'll be seeing here, but you can choose Ghana from the drop down. So let's go and choose Ghana. Okay, Ghana is here, and then you enter your Ghana phone number. Okay, then scroll down to the business address section and enter your business address. So the address I'm entering here are all for demo purposes. Please, they are not correct address. I'm using this for tutorial purposes. But I advise you to enter the details correctly. Please follow and enter your details correctly. Your full name, your business address, your business name, and whatever detail you'll be providing here should be genuine. The reason being that if you enter fake details, PayPal will surely block your account. When you come to this session, even though I'm using a demo account or I'm creating a demo account and therefore using demo account details, please try your possible best to enter correct details. So your full name should be the legal name of yourself, your business name should be legal, and your business address, whatever you'll be entering to create a PayPal account, should be genuine. The reason being that if you use fake details, PayPal will block your account, and it doesn't matter the amount of money you have, you won't be able to recover. So please try your possible best to enter genuine details. And then you choose your currency. Yeah, so I'm going with the US dollar. And then after entering all your details, please try your possible best to cross-check to ensure every detail you have provided is genuine and correct as you want it. Once you are done, click to accept the terms and conditions. Once you are done and everything is correct, please click to accept the terms and conditions and click on agree and continue. So here we are going to choose the business type. We have the individual or sole proprietorship, we have the sole proprietor, we have corporation, partnership, private corporation, public corporation, non-profit organization, government entity. So here you have to choose based on the type of business you have. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the individual or sole proprietor account. And then you enter the keyword of the product or service you provide. Yeah, so we provide professional services. This is just a sample, so you can choose from the number of categories available. Then if you have a website, you enter. If not, you forget and click on continue. For the date of birth, I'm going to use 2nd July. 2nd July 1988. And then the nationality, you will be able to select Ghana here. For the identity document, you will be able to use either national ID, passport, driver's license, and the others. So with the national ID, you can use your voter ID card or your national ID, which is the Ghana card. So I'm going to use the Ghana card here. So let me create something and see if it will work. Okay, so this is just for tutorial sake, so it's not the correct Ghana card. Once you are done, hit on submit. That is it. Now your PayPal account is ready. Great. Now your PayPal account is ready. But there is one thing we have to do. Kindly go to your Gmail account and make sure you verify your PayPal account. So when you come to your inbox, you should receive an email from PayPal asking you to verify your account. So you see, this is an email from PayPal saying you have to confirm your email address. Open the email and click on confirm your email. Kindly enter your password and confirm your email address. As I mentioned earlier, you will be able to withdraw funds from PayPal directly to your ATM card. And what I have been using so far is UBA Africard. UBA Africard works well with PayPal. You can withdraw funds directly onto your Visa card and withdraw at the ATM. I know other people also use Ecobank, Visa, Stanbic, Bank, and the others. But I have been using UBA Africard without issues. So that is what I recommend to you. However, you can try any of the banks you work with. You just have to make sure you get a business or a Visa debit card, and it will be able to work directly with PayPal. I hope this tutorial has been really helpful to you. Please leave a comment in the comment section below, like, subscribe, and also share with your family and friends. Thanks so much for your time and hope to see you on my next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.